So this is part of setting up a virtual reality template just to get you started as quickly as possible. You can follow along with everything I'm doing here afterwards, but I'm just going to tell you what we're doing as we go at the same time. This is going to be using Unity 6, and to get us started we're going to use Virtual Reality Toolkit, which the link for it for the Unity asset is actually in the description. So we just opened up a brand new project. We've connected that up and added it to our asset library. Make sure you find version 4, and we're just going to bring that all over and install that. And that's just going to sit there for a couple of minutes. So what VRTK does is allow you to do all your interactions, grabbable items, snap zones, teleportation. It's very nice and easy and user-friendly, great for virtual reality. Haven't really used it with mixed reality that much myself, but if you're just looking for something quick to get you going, this is a perfect start. So once this is all done, we're going to go in, and Windows and Tilia will be a new menu, and you're going to click this Add Scoped Registry. That's probably going to pop up in a couple of seconds on the other screen in this case, just to say it's added a scoped registry. Just say OK to that. And the two things we need a tracked alias, and because we're using the MetaQuest, we need to use the Oculus integration. So grab those two, click Add. This takes just a moment just as it brings these over. You're going to see there's the scoped registry part. So just click close to that. I'll just bring it over so you can see this is the message you will get. It's all fine. It's just saying it's just added that to the project. So once that's done, the next thing we need is a way of actually connecting this to the MetaQuest. And so go over and get your MetaQuest all-in-one SDK is what I'm using. You can limit it to the interactions and core if you want, but I'm just bringing it all over for now just to keep things straightforward. Again, it's going to sit there, take a long time to download and restart. So bring that all back. That should have you all set up with the things we need installing. Final bit is to just turn on the VR side or the XR side. So go into project settings, XR plugin manager, and then just click install on that and add Oculus to both the Windows and the Android version that we're using. So all we're looking at doing today is just connecting the headset up through your link. So you should have already that set in place. There's videos and tutorials how to quickly do that, but make sure you've got developer mode and everything set up on there, and you can get into the link side of things, and that will be straightforward. Once it's done, click on everything for the project validation except doing the OpenXR. Leave that for now. I'm still using the Oculus one in here. It's just easy and straightforward. I haven't had any problems, so just fix everything around here. It'll take a few minutes, apart from that one which tries to uninstall the Oculus side. Once it's done, it's very simple. All we need to do is we've right-click on the hierarchy. You've got Tilia. You need a camera rig. The first one is called this tracked alias, which is what everything does with VRTK, and then you would just hook this up to the Oculus one. Once that's done, you just go back to your tracked alias and you say, oh, we want to hook this one up, and just drop that in the camera rigs under the elements. So you could do it for Pico, you could do it for all different headsets, but we're just focusing on Meta, so that's all you need to do. Put your headset on, press play, and you should see the world. Just to make sure everything's working, I'm just going to put a cube in here now. Drag that around just to make sure we can see a thing. So that's all working. That's really the first part, so we're kind of in VR and it's all great. So we're going to move on to the next part, which is going to be grabbing items. So that's going to be the next video, and I'll see you there.